We at LIBC run Igbo language lessons via Zoom for just £3 an hour. Our classes are designed for people of the Igbo diaspora across the world. We use a method we call TPCP: tuition, participation, correction, and practice. Now let's explain in details. For the first T, which is tuition, LIBC patiently but thoroughly teaches the basics and the fundamental rules and building blocks of the Igbo language. For the P, participation, we use the learner participation to get the learners comfortable pronouncing the Igbo words and recognizing the different tones used within the Igbo language tonal system. The third one, C, for correction. Inevitably, there are going to be lots of errors in learning to pronounce Igbo words and formulate the Igbo sentences, but our LIBC tutors will patiently and gently correct errors in a very welcoming and friendly learning environment. Another one is practice. In our Igbo language sections, you get to immerse yourself in the Igbo language and practice. Practice more with helpful guidance of a native language Igbo tutor. Now we have the LIBC community. Finding other Igbo learners who are also on the same journey. You will notice a difference in your Igbo language skills within a few short months, and so will your family. At LIBC, we offer the beginner level and the intermediate level. The beginner level are for people who are learning the Igbo language from the scratch. The intermediate level is for Igbo learners who understand Igbo but can't speak the Igbo language. We run Igbo language sessions at beginner level as well as the intermediate level for different age groups. We have the children section, the teenager section, and the adult section.